Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to delete permanently a Grindr account. First, go to Grindr application, then wait for a minute to log in. Then type your email and password. Then click your profile at the left corner. Then at the bottom, go to settings. Next, click deactivate. Then at the bottom, select delete. Then choose here why do you want to delete your account. Then click back up now. Next, click delete. Then type your account here and then delete profile. Again, once again, delete account. And that's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.